ipakita niya ang ball. Wow! Galing!
Australia, and even here in the Philippines. In Australia, they're called seeds. Meanwhile, locally here in the Philippines, they're called lawing or banong in the Visayas region.
Layas.
There you go for our rabbit behind kingdom. Now in the wild, female eagles are
Clap lagi ka, Jen.
larger than
Sunod na
males.
lang sila sa inyo.
That is because of their nesting and rearing position. Up next is our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy.
Dili man please ako imona. Dili please ako imona.
Our Philippine serpent eagle, scientifically known as the Flores eagle.
Eagle gyapon, eagle.
Igal ilang waha.
Found in the major islands of the Philippines.
Mana na siya din eh. See?
Eagles are characterized by the well-defined spots of their feathers.
See? Unya na, ulat sa ba?
Philippine serpent eagle usually. And as you can see, our trainer right there is using a black glove called falconry gauntlet. Use the press to protect the hands from their sharp talons and teeth. So just a fun fact, sa the earlier kingdom and Kanilu period. Let's go, Freddy!
Lahi yung isang oh.
So while waiting for Freddy, up next is our homing pigeons. There you go, our homing pigeons. Homing
Be
pigeons
pantis.
have special sense
Zen,
of
pantis.
magneto reception.
Babay mo pansa.
That feel altitude, formation, and direction.